Hi everyone, welcome to the crafting and DIY with Nora. I found these wood planks at Dollar Tree. They're like little houses. Well, not planks, because planks I believe are a little thinner than this, but these block houses. And then I bought these. I like buying these, and I like buying the big ones, the long ones, but they usually don't have in my Dollar Tree, so when I see them, I grab about 10 of them at a time. But I got these. And glue gun and E6000 because I believe I don't have wood glue. But what I do before I glue it is sand it down a little bit. Okay. Oh, because I want to put a stick right here, I got my Black & Decker. Oh yes, this girl loves tools. Home Depot. So I'm going to drill a hole on both of them. I'm not going to do them while I'm on video because it's going to take me to drill it in real good and really hard. So I'll be back. And I drilled the hole. You see? My next step is to take the planks. I'm going to need 3 of these. So instead of gluing them in the inside, I'm going to glue them at the outside, which it gives you more support. You see? Not here. Right here. So got my little, let me make sure. And my little, I'm gonna get me a bigger one because these are not as hot as the big ones. These are good for certain projects, but not all projects. Hold it down. Now we're gonna do the next one. Same process. Hold it there. Going to turn it around. I thought I had an extra one. Okay, let's. So I'm going to add just one to the bottom. I thought I took 3 out, but no. You see? I'm just going to add one plank at the bottom and put like a little cardboard inside, because this one particular plank is not going to cover. You see? It's going to leave gaps. So what I'm going to do is, I got my little blocks. I'm going to put, so I can have it like a little, I don't know if I'm, you see? I'll be back. And here you have a little tool shed. You see, overlapped. I'm so upset. That's okay. I'll try to fix it. I'll try to sand it down. Or, oh, and how up? These are dowels from Dollar Tree. Oh, I could have used this one. This one was a little thicker one. But too late. I already glued it. Get these dowels at Dollar Tree. And what I did was, for this one, this is a little longer one. It's also from Dollar Tree. But it's not as fat or thick as the one I used here. And I use my little store. Dollar Tree also. So I'm going to look for what kind of paint. I'm going to see if I can keep it rustic. I'm not really sure if I'm going to, if I want to add the legs on. You see? It's like a tool shed. I bought these also. Let me see. Excuse my finger. I slid it opening up a can of tuna fish. And I couldn't reach for where I have my first aid kit basket. It's all the way at the top shelf when my son was in here. Okay. You see, I got also these. Ain't they cute? So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it this color. It's a Castle Chateau. It's like a grayish. I don't want to do that brown. I don't think I'm going to do the brown. I want like a lighter. So after this dries up, then I give it my white. Then I sand it down. And the good thing is that this is wood. So the paint is going to heat to really nice. And when I sand it, you'll see both colors on the Chateau come out. So let me give it my first coat of, only one coat of Chateau. Okay, I opted up to paint it brown. And I'm so tired of showing the same colors that I use. And I have a whole lot of different colors. But the next one I do, if I do the basket one with the small cutting boards, I'll probably do pastel colors. So this is dried. So now I'm going to give it a light coat of white, acrylic white. All the time I was painting this, I thought I was videotaping myself, but I didn't. I wasn't, unfortunately. But you already know the technique I use. I painted it brown. Dried up. Just one coat of brown. Then added the white. Just one coat of white. Then I took a sanding block from Dollar Tree and sanded enough so you see the brown. Looks really nice. It looks very antiquish, very old. And I do a lot of the edges so you can see. You see? I put a piece of cardboard in here because I only put one plank of wood back at the bottom. you know. I'm still debating whether I want to add the little blocks to it. Let me see what I have in here. Give them like a little stand, or do I want to just, I might just do that. So what I came up with, because I wanted something in the front, all over, you know. So I came up with, where's my stencil? Okay, here we go. I bought these stencils from Dollar Tree. And I also bought these a long time ago. So what I'm gonna do, because I like this particular flower, and I'm doing it in brown. So what I'm gonna do is, I got this little sponge. I'm gonna dab it and then take some of the paint out by dabbing it with this tissue, and then just dabbing it here. I want it like a very faint. So first of all, I've never done this, so I'm gonna angle. So here I go. And I want it very lightly. Like if it's like faded. And I'm just tapping it. That's all I'm doing. I just messed it up. You see? It just has like a little faint to it. Look how stinking cute. And see, then you have a little, whatever you want to do with it. I don't know what you call this, but I'm gonna tell you. I tell you, I put the cardboard because. So I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do with this one. Okay, hold 1 second. I have Spanish moss. I buy from Dollar Tree. Rainbow. Let me just put a little glue. Okay, just 3, or maybe not. I'm going to show you my little bunnies I made. Look. Look. And look. I made the template from this, which is I also bought is a banner. It comes about 8 of them. I have it right here. They felt. So I use them as templates. Just add them on. Here you go. And now you can make this as long as you want. It could be longer than this, but I chose to use these. And I made some carrots. I did a template. Where's my template? I do my own templates. Look how stinking cute. You see? I made carrot ones. I have a tutorial. I did them last year, and I did a tutorial on them, so I'll put the link, look, on how to make these bunnies. And I also make carrots. Not as packed as this. You don't need to put all of these. You know, just sort them out. Put a little ribbon. Cute mantle, home decor. You can add a little ribbon. And it's simple. That quick. But I really love my bunny. So, okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, liking, commenting, following. And the ladies from the groups that are really an inspiration to me in reference to making me want to do more stuff because they love it. Until our next videos. Don't forget, I'm on Hannah's and Mia's Little Secrets on Facebook. I also have a group called Crafting and DIY with Nora. I'm on Instagram, Little Secrets 123, and all that. Thank you, guys.